Solve the following equations. Now don't forget, if you're not sure of the exact order to do the operations to solve the equation, you can always use a flowchart, and I suggest you refer back to Year 7 or Year 8 lessons to look at flowcharts. What I'm going to do here is just think about the fact that when I start with the A, it's first been multiplied by 2 and then 3 has been added. And I need to reverse that order in order to solve the equation. So if I start with 2a plus 3 equals 15, the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 3 from both sides. If I do that to the left, I get left with 2a. If I do that to the right, I get left with 12. I'm then going to divide both sides by 2. If I do that to the left, I get a. If I do it to the right, I get 6. Now if we start with 2b plus 1 divided by 3 equals 5, the b's been multiplied by 2, had 1 added, and then it's been divided by 3. And we reverse that order. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply both sides of the equation by 3. If I do that, the left-hand side just becomes 2b plus 1. The right-hand side becomes 15. I then subtract 1 from both sides, and we have 2b is equal to 14. And then finally, we'll divide both sides by 2, and that gives me that b is equal to 7. Finally, with part C, we've got c over 3 plus 1 equals 7. If we start with the c, it's been divided by 3, and then 1 was added to the result. So do the opposite. So the first thing to do is subtract 1. So we always work backwards. Subtract 1 from both sides means c over 3 is equal to 6. Now this 3 is dividing the c, so the inverse operation is multiplied by 3, and then I get c is equal to 18. Notice with all of the solutions, my equal signs have gone vertically or practically vertically down the page, and this is a good practice.